Dear students, I start with lecture 49 of 101 and 102. We have already started this sum and we have found the rank of this matrix is A. But we have to proceed by the row reduced echelon form. And you know that we have to find it in the form of 100, 010 and 001. The maximum identities will be there. How much we get the maximum number of these terms? That means that if we get 2 terms, then rank will be 2. If we get only 1, then rank will be 1. And if we get 3, then the rank will be 3. And you know that this is never exceeded 3. So let's start. We want 1 there and it is already 1 there. So this is equal to 1, 3, 4, 5. We wanted 0 at both these places. હું માનું કે તમને ખ્યાલ આવશે કે કઈ રીતે કરવાનું. You can do it by yourself. Here it is 1 and here it is 3. So multiply first row by -3 અને -3 થી ગુણાકાર કરો ને આમાં ઉમેરો. શું થાય છે જુઓ. 0 0 -12. આ બધી જ એન્ટ્રી 0 થઈ ગઈ. -3 + 3 0, -9 + 9 0, -12 + 12 0, -15 + 3 -12. હવે અહીંયા 0 જોઈએ છે. So what we will do? Multiply first row by -1 and add in third one. It means we have to subtract both of them. So it is again 0 0 -4. You can see it. Further, there is no possibility for this one. So we have to find this one. So we want 1 here, 0 0 0 1. Means we multiply third row by -1 by 4. This is one way. 0 0 0 -12, 1 3 4 5. This is very much equal to 0 0 0 1. We wanted 0 at both these places, means what we will do? We multiply third row by 12 and add into the second one. So it is 0 0 0 plus 12 minus 12, so it is 0. We multiply third row by -5 and add into the first one, and therefore it is 1 3 4 0. So we have 2 are there, and therefore rank of A is 2. This is by row reduced echelon form. Dear students, one more sum on the board for the rank. Find the rank of the matrix A equal to 1 1 minus 1 0 to 1 1 3 0. Just observe that by observing the matrix, will you understand something? જો શ્રેણિક ને જોઈને તમને કઈ ખ્યાલ આવે છે? જો પહેલો સ્તંભ ને બીજો સ્તંભ, ફર્સ્ટ કોલમ એન્ડ સેકન્ડ કોલમ, ટર્મ વાઇઝ એડ કરો તો જુઓ થર્ડ આવે છે. ઇઝ ઇટ? છે ને? वन प्लस 0 1 1 प्लस 2 3 माइनस 1 प्लस 1 इक्वल टू 0. तो आ त्रण जे છે 3 rows and 3 columns. તો આ તો linearly dependent છે કારણ કે આ બેના સરવાળાથી આ ત્રીજું મળે છે. Therefore answer 1 1 minus 1 plus 0 to 1 equal to 130. Therefore 1 1 minus 1 0 to 1 130 is linearly dependent. તો આપણે આમાંથી બે લઈશું, alpha 1 1 minus 1 plus beta 0 to 1 equal to 0 0 0. અને હવે alpha beta 0 થાય, therefore x coordinate, y coordinate, z coordinate. From this equation 1, 2 and 3, if you apply both these equations, 2 beta 0 beta 0, so we have directly alpha 0 and beta 0. Therefore 1 1 minus 1 0 to 1 is linearly independent. Therefore, rank of A is 2. So the half answer is okay, but we have to yet do it by row reduced echelon form. તમે એની શરૂઆત કરી શકો છો. Row reduced echelon form. One 1 minus 1 0 to 1 130. તમને ખબર છે કે આપણે શક્ય હોય ત્યાં સુધી 100 100 100 આમાંથી શક્ય એટલા આપણે ટર્મ્સ લાવવાના છે. वन 0 1 આ જગ્યાએ 1 છે, so we need not to do anything for that. પણ અહીંયા આ બંને જગ્યાએ 0 લાવવા છે, તો આપણે શું કરીશું? we multiply first row by -1 and add into the second one. આને -1 થી ગુણીને આમાં ઉમેરો 2, then multiply first row by 1 and add into the third one. આ બંનેનો સરવાળો કરો 0 1 1. Then we want 1 here, means we multiply second row by 1 by 2, so it is equal to 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 1. This is equal to 0 1 1. We wanted 0 at both the places, but it is already 0 there, means we need not to do for the first row. So we wanted 0 here, means what we do? We multiply second row by -1 and add into the third one. આ બેની બાદબાકી કરીશું તો શું મળશે? 0 0 and 0. હવે જો અહીંયા તો 1 આવી શકવાનું છે નહીં. Therefore rank of it, because we have only 2, is 2. Therefore proved, because we know that the answer was 2 from here. Okay, check that. Okay, dear student, there is one more sum on the board. We want to find A inverse, and all this type of sum you have done in the past years when you learn matrices. So I am taking once more here, but it is only for your recalling. So whenever we have matrix, then we wanted to find A inverse, then first we have to check its determinant. Here A equal to 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 0. So what will be the value of determinant for this? So it is equal to 1 0 minus 0 minus 1 0 minus 0 plus 1 0 minus 1. So value of this determinant is -1. So first requirement for its inverse is determinant should be not equal to 0. એનો નિશ્ચાયક not equal to 0 હોવો જોઈએ. પછી જે કિંમત હોય તે પ્લસ હોય માઇનસ હોય એ પ્રશ્ન નથી, પણ it should be non-zero. પછીથી આપણે એના એડજોઇન્ટ મેટ્રિક્સ માટેના એલિમેન્ટ શોધીએ છીએ. હવે આ જે તમને મેટ્રિક્સ આપ્યો છે એને જો તમે લખો તો ફર્સ્ટ રો ફર્સ્ટ કોલમ, ફર્સ્ટ રો સેકન્ડ કોલમ, ફર્સ્ટ રો થર્ડ કોલમ, સેકન્ડ રો ફર્સ્ટ કોલમ, સેકન્ડ રો સેકન્ડ કોલમ, સેકન્ડ રો થર્ડ કોલમ, થર્ડ રો ફર્સ્ટ કોલમ, થર્ડ રો સેકન્ડ કોલમ, થર્ડ રો થર્ડ કોલમ. It is like this: first row first column 1 1, first row second column 1 2, first row third column, second row first column, second row second column, second row third column, third row first column, third row second column, third row third column. Now first we find elements. A11 means -1 raised to 1 1. We want to find element for this entry 1 1. -1 raised to 1 plus 1, then put determinant there. We are not taking these row, this column, means 0 1 0 0 0. So it is equal to 0. A12 minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2. For this entry we are finding, we are not taking this row and this column, so it is 1 1 0 0. Again it is 0. Then we are finding for A13 minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3, means it is first row and third column. We are not taking this row and this column, means it is 1 0 1 1 1 0. So it is plus 1 minus 1 raised to 4 minus 1. So this value is equal to minus 1. Then A21 minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1. We are finding it for, we have done for this one. Now we are finding for A second row first column. Now we are not taking this row and this column, means it is 1 1 0 0. So answer is 0. A22 minus, now we are finding for second row second column, this one. We are not taking this column and this row, means it is 1 1 1 0. So it is minus 1. Then we find it for A23 minus 1 2 plus 3. We are not taking this row and this column, means it is 1 1 1 0. So it is plus 1. And the third one, we find it here, A31 minus 1 raised to 3 plus 1. We are not taking this row and this column, means it is 1 1 1 0, and therefore this is equal to minus 1. A32 3 plus 2. Now we are finding it for this one. We are not taking this row and this column, means it is 1 1 1 0. So this is equal to 0 minus 1, so it will be plus 1. And the last one, A33, means the last one, minus 1 raised to 3 plus 3, and 1 1 1 1, means it is 0. So it is like this. And therefore A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A 0 0 minus 1 0 0 minus 1, then 0 minus 1 1. We write it on the column, and minus 1 1 0. And it is divided by determinant of A. આવી રીતે આપણે એનો ઇન્વર્સ શોધીએ છીએ. And the value of determinant is minus 1, so this value is equal to minus 1, and therefore this is equal to 0 0 1 0 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 0, and this will be inverse of A. It's a simply a calculation, and you can find it very easily. But as I said earlier, you have done all this work in the previous years when you learn matrix. તમે જ્યારે શ્રેણિક શીખ્યા છો ત્યારે આ બધું તમે કરેલું છે. હું ખાલી તમને યાદ કરાવું છું. ઓકે, I stop this lecture here. See you in the next lecture. Thank you very much.